Welcome students. Next video for chemistry of 11th standard. Chapter is basic principles of organic chemistry. In previous video we studied IUPAC nomenclature for monofunctional compounds. Compounds in which only one functional group is present, they are called as monofunctional compounds. Compounds in which more than one functional groups are present. Compounds in which more than one functional groups are present, they are called as polyfunctional compounds. As we have some rules of giving name to monofunctional compounds, we have some additional rules to write IUPAC name for polyfunctional compounds. When there are two functional compounds are present in a compound, when two functional compound groups are present in a compound, then one functional group we have to select or we have to decide as per the rule as a parent, and other automatically will become substitute. So first rule is selecting principal functional group. Which group is principal functional group and other group is substituent? Other substituent are written with appropriate prefixes. Whatever principal functional group is there, for that functional group we will write suffix. For substituents we will write appropriate prefixes. Now, main question in front of us. What is the basis, on which basis we have to decide which is principal functional group and which is substituent? Students, for that we have certain order. We have order for selecting principal functional group. We have to select our principal functional group as per the order. What is the order? Please see. This order I am writing here. Order is COOH, then SO3H, after COOR, COCl, CONH2, cyanide group, CHO, that is aldehyde functional group, C double bond O, ketone functional group, then OH, that is alcohol functional group, NH2, amine, then C double bond C, that is alkene, last is C triple bond C. Students, again I am reading. COOH, carboxylic acid functional group, has highest priority. In front of carboxylic acid, all other functional groups are substituents. Then OCH3H, SO3H, then COOR, COCl, it is acyl group, CONH2 amide, CN is cyanide, CH2 is aldehyde, C double bond O is ketone, OH is alcohol, NH2, C double bond C is alkene family, and C double bond C is alkynes family. By using this order, we will be writing some examples and we will give names to these compounds. Sometimes what happens? Functional groups are present in compound, and while numbering them, carbon number 1 is not necessary to write. What is the case? In some functional groups, COR, COCl, CONH2, cyanide and CHO. For these only particular functional groups, carbon atom is C1. C1 is always, carbon atom is the 1. These carbon atoms are considered as 1 because these groups attach to the terminal of compound, one end of the compound. Therefore, is not mentioned, this carbon number 1 is not mentioned in the IUPAC name, or it is not necessary to mention the C1, that is one carbon number 1 in the IUPAC name. Okay, so there are rules: principal functional group, substituent, disorder, appropriate suffix, appropriate prefix. I told you, principal functional group, appropriate suffix we have to use. Principal, the substituent, appropriate prefix we have to use. Now we will go for examples. Okay, some examples we have for polyfunctional compounds. Please see, students. Please see, CH3, CHOH, C double bond O, CH2, CH3. C and OH, alcoholic functional group. C double bond O, R, C double bond O, R, ketonic functional group. As per this order, we will have to use one functional group as substituent and other will be automatically a principal functional group or parent functional group. According to this order, students, C double bond O is a principal functional group, and then OH. Okay, C double bond O comes first and then OH. Therefore, this will be a parent, this will be a substituent OH. So, lowest number rule, numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this carbon is carrying second number from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. On second carbon there is a alcoholic functional group acting as a substituent. Therefore 2-hydroxy. 2-hydroxy. Pentane 3-1. 2-hydroxy pentane will be the name of the compound. Another example we have CH3, CH, CH2, COOH, here NH2. Again, NH2 that is amine functional group and COOH carboxylic acid functional group. Carboxylic acid comes first, amine comes next. Therefore, name of the compound will be here 1, 2, 3, 4 numbering. On third carbon there is a amine functional group. 3 amino. Third carbon amine functional group is present. 3 amino. 1, 2, 3, 4 butanoic acid. Okay, 3 amino. Butanoic acid. Okay, next students, next example we have functional group of same type but it has come for twice, 2 times. Example is OH and OH. Both OH functional group, that is hydroxyl functional group, alcoholic functional groups are present on different carbons. If alcoholic functional group is present 2 times, it is called as diol. We have to mention its position also. Therefore, 1, 2, 3. Propane 1, 2. Because first and second carbon OH group is present. propane, 1, 2, diol is the name. Propane, 1, 2, diol. Okay, students, now we have seen examples for polyfunctional compounds, and for writing their IUPAC names we have used certain rules. Some more examples for monofunctional and polyfunctional compounds mix in next video we will see. Thank you very much, students.